Lesonux. So this is a tool for your mixer, your KitchenAid mixer. Basically what it does is it scrapes the bowl while it mixes. So a lot of them just comes out like this and they'll just mix, but it doesn't really scrape the bowl, so you have to stop it and get a spoon to push all the material down. So here's the where you install it. Push it here at the opening, twist, and it'll drop it down until it gets locked in. And from there, you just lift the bowl, rotate it up, and as you see, it'll stay in contact with the bowl whenever it starts mixing. And that's it. To take it off, just lower the bowl, lift up, twist, and down. No more scraping the bowl. This next.